How to change Netflix payment method. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Netflix payment method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to change your Netflix payment method, you have to log into netflix.com from your browser. Remember, from your browser and not from the app. And once you have done so, you want to simply tap the three lines option from the top left and then simply go to this option here known as account. And once you go to the account option, you're going to land here. Scroll down, here you'll find your payment info, where you also will find the option called manage payment method. So you want to make sure to just tap on that little option where it says manage payment method, and then you can choose to update the current one by tapping the update option and making a few corrections, or you can just tap on change payment method to completely change the payment method that you'd like. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then change the Netflix payment method. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.